can't actually feel that. Getting even this close to something like that is enough
what
for
they
this.
go through.
You can't actually
Let
go
alone
through
feel it.
Yeah, but you are, acting that thing. So, do you have that feeling that means dear pain, some kind?
Yeah, the feeling.
It can be 5%,
Somebody's breaking your leg, you can't
2%,
actually
but it
feel
cannot be 100%.
Yeah, I'm not talking about 100%, but some percent.
See, what happens is that, we go into workshops, all over, and there are a lot of harsh stories that come about. And a lot of times, they obviously affect us. Sometimes we come back and we're totally stunned. We don't talk.
I want to ask you that you think about this problem.
Yes, we do think about it, and that's the reason we are here.
Obviously, everybody sitting here think about this problem.
No, this play has been also from our experiences, interactions with them.
Okay.
So the work we've done with them and the experiences that we've had, we've tried to put that on stage in whatever capacity we can.
That's it.
There's a hand behind Ria. There's a hand up here. Yeah.
So I was just trying to ask that the stories are of real people, I'm presuming. But is it like a kind of a mixed version of what's happening, or there are particular stories that are true that you have picked up and worked on?
See, we've worked with about 450 kids of the sector in various homes and shelters and juvenile reformatories. That's a euphemism for a jail, right? And we've also interacted with temporary shelters, right? Now what we basically do is we go there, especially wherever there's a residential camp. We stay there for anything up to a week or beyond, right? And we make the children create plays from their stories. It's a long collective exercise. So these plays come from there. This is their truth, right? This is their truth, and it's not about them. It's about us. It's about all of us, right? So that's the way it happens. Yeah.
I'm saying you're doing a great work because, moreover, going externally, you should feel like the character was not about the language, or about the how you're actually expressing it, but it's more about how the values of that people living on the platform actually telling how they're feeling internally and how it's what lead them to that thing. And we should all the people should focus more on that. And it was I really like the piece of work you did.
Excuse me. I guess the end should be different. You guys mind if I talk in Hindi? I am more comfortable in Hindi. मेरे हिसाब से end जो है हमारे को इस टाइप से कुछ करना चाहिए. हर एक इंसान को कुछ create करके अच्छा लगता है. कुछ भी create करके. और हर इंसान में अपनी आप में कोई ना कोई strength है. वो उसको पहचानने नहीं आती है. Some consolation मतलब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें बच्चा समझे कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. जरूरी नहीं है पढ़ाई करके अच्छे नंबर लाने से सिंसियरिटी पता चलती है, इंटेलिजेंस नहीं पता चलती. तो उसको इसी टाइप से रिप्रेजेंट करना है जो ये बच्चे हैं. ये मतलब मेरे हिसाब से एंड थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं. मैजिक वाली छड़ी से हटके थोड़ा और डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं.
रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए.
हमने जो पूरा प्ले तैयार किया है कि हमने कोशिश करी है कि जो हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं उससे हमने प्ले तैयार, हमने सारी कहानियाँ आपके सामने रखी हैं. हमने कोशिश करी है कि हम अपने सॉल्यूशंस, हम क्या सोचते हैं कि क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए, उसको हम दूर रखें प्ले से. तो जो एंडिंग है, जो मैजिक है, वो इन बच्चों की मैजिक है. ये वो चाहते हैं. अलग अलग वर्कशॉप्स में उन्होंने बोला कि हाँ हम तो सारे मिलके चाय की दुकान खोल लेंगे, अगली बार मैं अपने भाई को भी लेके भाग जाऊँगा, प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही रहेंगे. तो हमने उनकी सारी कहानियाँ, उनको जो लगा है वो हमने प्रेजेंट करा. जो सोल्यूशंस है वो बहुत हो सकते हैं, तभी हम ये नाटक करें कि हम लोग सब सोचें कि क्या हो सकता है.
That's great. And congrats to you all. Amazing show. Amazing.
बहुत जबरदस्त चेतावनी देता है परिवार को, शिक्षा को, समाज को कि किसका समाज है, किसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, कौन चला रहा है इसको. तो ये जो बच्चे जो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है, ये हमारा एक प्रयत्न रहा है कि उनकी कहानी, उनकी कहानियाँ हम आपके सामने लाएं. हम बच्चों से भी परफॉर्मेंस करवाते हैं, लेकिन ये जरा इसको आगे ले जाने का एक